Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to password protect a Google Sites website. Yeah, even though Google Sites doesn't include a built-in password option, we'll use a simple workaround that's reliable and, still feels professional. So let's jump in. First, open the Google site you want to protect. If you haven't logged in yet, just sign in with your Google account. Nothing fancy. Now, we're going to create a page that acts like a password gate. Click the Pages tab on the right and create a new blank page. Name it something like Access or Login, totally up to you. Next, we'll add a password form. Google Sites doesn't have a password lock built in, so we use a Google form with a short answer question. Just ask visitors for a password and, set it up so it only accepts the correct one. In the response validation settings, choose text and contains. Then type your password exactly how you want people to enter it. If they get it wrong, write a custom error message like a incorrect password. After you create the form, go back to Google Sites, click Insert, and choose Forms. Select the form you just made and insert it on that Access page. This creates a nice, simple password box. Now here's the important part. Open your Google Form settings and choose the option that redirects users to another page after they submit. Set that redirect link to your actual site's homepage or wherever you want them to land after entering the password. Back in Google Sites, hide your other pages from navigation so people can't bypass the password page. Just open the three-dot menu next to each page and choose Hide from Navigation. And that's it. Your Google site is now protected behind a simple password gate. It's not, military level security or anything, but for basic access control, it works really well. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.